Alright guys, we're gonna cook some homemade crackling. First thing you want to do, cut your pork and clean your pork. Clean it. Grease should already be getting hot on the stove. Use a metal spoon. Do not use plastic. The grease is hot. Take your time putting that in there because you don't want that to pop on you. It'll do its job. Just set it in there soft. And please don't overfill it. Don't overfill your pot. Put enough to fit. Don't stir it up. That pork will stick together. Just stir it so they can all be separated. Okay, now you notice I got way more grease than I poured in that pot. And that's because the grease is coming from that fat. So be aware of that. Make sure you keep your eye on how much grease you use, because just know it's going to be more than you originally put in there once that fat starts cooking. That looks good right there. That's how we want it. We don't want to cook it all the way. We just want to cook it like halfway. Now take what you just cooked halfway, put it in a strainer, and then we're going to soak that in water. And let it soak about 5 minutes. That'll be okay. Okay? Now we're going to strain that water, of course. We don't want wet crackling, so strain that water. Now throw it on back in the grease. And be careful, because when you put that pork in that grease this time, by it being wet, it's going to be violent. Like I said, a mind of its own. So, if you notice, I've used a bigger pot this time, not trying to burn my kitchen down. But look, now look what you got, a masterpiece. Golden, and they very crispy, no tough. I hate tough for crackling. That's perfect crackling right there. I cut them that small because I wanted to. You can cut yours bigger. So, the longer you keep it in there, the crispier it's gonna get, but of course, you just want that golden and good. Gonna slap whatever seasoning you want on yours, and there you go, homemade crackling. Thanks for watching.